Why didn't you put it down? Yeah, got a bit like too small. Well, you were in a good climb, that got you. Yeah, that weren't any. Yeah, and that followed. I might be going down New Bridge. Come on, mate. Let's look at it. He's probably doing a bit of faulty there, isn't he? It's a bit of a ruffling. But she'll turn around and she'll get absolutely hot. Mate, is recording now?
Yeah. If they wake up dead, we're blaming you. If they wake up dead, they won't wake up dead. If Graf wakes up in the day, you're going to wake up in a coma. Oh, Ben stood up now. I can't record his ass anymore. Yeah, bend over again, man. Oh, yeah. I don't know what's wrong with me tonight.
Green and yellow one. You got great feelings. How would you know? Someone told me, Justin told me.
Neil's tried.
It didn't pull. He's getting a bit carried away now, man. This is the best thing on it. He hasn't come and apologise to us yet. He's going to let us to apologise to him. If you apologise with me, I'll just go, you apologise.
Stop blowing on him.
That doesn't sound right at all.
I know, Neil, stop
Neil,
blowing
stop
the
blowing
budgie.
the budgie. Neil actually blew the budgie.
What, do it again?
It looks like a recording bins off.
Neil's blowing the budgie.
Stop blowing the budgie. He's blowing. I'll show it to Welshie tomorrow.
Don't dream of it. Said the eight times was having to do with its wall, and it sprayed this wall all over its face.
How's that? That's better.
Lovely. The budgie's still alive. Are you still alive in there?
I feel sorry for him now after I've done that. I didn't.
Terrorise the budgies.
They terrorised me.
Oh, they're okay. They're getting off again. Oh, they're stopped now.